Hello everyone. In today's screencast, we're going to be looking at paragraphs that define or explain concepts, big ideas. So before we look at that specifically, let's review. What is a paragraph? Well, first of all, it's 3, 4, or more sentences that have one main idea as well as supporting information, which can be facts, it can be examples, and every text has many paragraphs. So if we look here, we can see that there are 3 paragraphs. Each paragraph has its own main idea. So just by looking at it, I can see 1, 2, 3 different ideas are going to be in this text. And just a reminder, in a paragraph, all of the sentences follow one another. So from here to here is a paragraph, and the next sentence begins immediately. And we can go full stop, another sentence. And the same here, and the same here. So remember to keep all of the sentences together in a paragraph. So what's in a paragraph? Well, basically we have 3 parts. We have the main idea, which is usually in the topic sentence, which is often the first sentence of a paragraph. And of course it has what we call supporting details. Those are the ideas, the facts, or examples that help explain or prove the main idea. In this case, it's going to be those ideas, facts, or examples that are going to help to define or explain the concept you're writing about. And the conclusion is usually the last sentence, and it repeats the main idea, but with a little bit of a twist. So how do we begin? We always begin with the topic sentence, and that's important because it helps tell the reader what the paragraph is going to be about. And we should mention the concept in that very first sentence. It focuses our paragraph. It helps the reader see what you're going to be writing about. And in this first paragraph, we can define the term, or many times we'll do it later in the paragraph. So let's take a look at 2 examples. The first one, climate change, unlike weather, has both global and local effects. So the term that we're going to be defining is climate change. And here it's more or less telling us what points are going to be used to help explain the difference between climate and weather. In this example, a greenhouse gas is a gas that absorbs infrared radiation, IR, and radiates heat in all directions. So here we have an example of a topic sentence that defines the term. So how are paragraphs organized? Well, basically they follow this pattern of organization. It starts with the topic sentence, the main idea. We have our supporting ideas, and then our conclusion. So in your supporting ideas, define the concept, give facts to explain the concept to the reader, use connectors to link the ideas in the sentences, and conclude by repeating that main idea in different words with some kind of conclusion. Therefore, thus, that little bit of twist that helps us better understand what you're trying to prove by defining the concept. So let's take a look. Well, first of all, we can see by color the 3 parts. This is our topic sentence. These are our supporting ideas, and here we have our conclusion. So we can see very clearly here that the term is the era of sustainability. And here we've got quotation marks which help us see that. Here we have the definition. By this, he means the next big revolution that all of us will have to deal with is regarding the quality of our environment. The new era will be about doing things in a green way, transforming polluting industries into eco-friendly ones, and to do everything for the benefit of the earth. So we've got ideas that help us understand what that era, that period of sustainability is, and the conclusion by that, we will protect our planet and make it sustainable. and thus begin the era of sustainability. And here the writer chose to repeat the term. So one suggestion is brainstorm before you write. Think about your topic sentence. Think about the details or supporting ideas, facts, examples that you want to include in your paragraph, and a conclusion. And this you can just write notes and just think it out before you write. Then use your notes to help you write the paragraph.